It looks like that's what, yeah, that's what this says on here. And his long wordy presentation of the way he does things. 10 words or less. Okay. So you've hired Mr. Kimmer.
Yes.
Okay.
Good.
Hold on just 1 second. Let's make sure. It's a charged as a felony because of pre-prior DWI. So, you can't operate a motor vehicle without an interlock device. Do you understand?
Can I ask you a question on that?
Yeah, go ahead.
Because I just stuff, but I don't let me not start it. I don't let me not anything. That I'm like,
let's clear this up. He's not just in trouble for drunk driving, it's felony DWI. Because he was supposed to have an interlock device. That's the breathalyzer attached to your ignition. No device? That's a big legal no-no in Texas.
Well, that
No. Oh, you can start a car with an interlock, but if you get caught with a suspended driver's license, they'll probably arrest you.
Okay, even with the
interlock is part one of the problem. The interlock keeps you from an intoxicated person from starting the car. But you are not supposed to operate a motor vehicle, all of us have the same rule, unless we have a valid operator's license. And when it's suspended, it's not valid, it's invalid. And I don't know what the exact rules, they evolve, but if it's suspended, you don't want to do that. If you get caught, I don't care, you can have 8 interlock devices in your car. It won't matter without a valid license.
I knew there was another question he had asked you. So, okay, so I just looked around. 3 months, and then I have to pay a fine. I
don't know what it, I don't know if you have to do to purge that. But if, let me look at something really quick. There's a window of voices. What was your blood test?
What?
Yeah, it was 3 times. 3 times. That's not good. I mean, that's, and if you were in a wreck.
3 times the legal limit? If someone had gotten hurt or worse, he wouldn't be standing in court. He'd be looking at serious prison time. What do you think? Should that level of intoxication ever be forgivable?
And injured somebody, that would be a serious felony. If you were in a wreck and someone was killed and you were operating a motor vehicle intoxicated and with your fault, you would go to prison for a long time. Nobody gets probation for that. So, no, but you gotta fix this.
Yeah, I was thinking for a long time. I'm actually in college for a drug counselor. I'm about to graduate.
Okay, so you have Mr. Dusler here is one of the represent. Where's Mr. No, sir. No, you've already hired Ryan Cameron.
Yes, sir. I already paid.
Okay. I thought you were just in the process. There's somebody else is in the process of that. But anyway, get a resetting. We're going to set this for an announcement in 4 weeks, and just have a seat right over there before you leave.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get a resetting first and hold that. Dante Mahone. Ma'am. Mrs. Celerandi.
Yes, sir. Okay.
What's your bond?
It's $5,000.
Okay. All right. All right. We ordered you to take a drug and alcohol test.
Yes, sir.
The nice lady from the probation office who is here is directed to assist in that the taking of that. And we do these every day. Never have problems. You told me as you were going in that you weren't going to do well on the test. You indicated words to that effect that you were going to fail. Nonetheless, the test had to be taken.
Right.
You threw or tossed.
He tossed the drug test into the toilet literally. That's not just panic. That's contempt of court. And the judge, not impressed. One flush just earned him 180 days in jail. Would you call that bold or just plain foolish?
Interrupt the court. Look, I've done this for a long time. You are incoherent right now. Your bond is revoked. You will be held in contempt of court. And you can be placed in jail for 180 days for refusing and failing to take the test as ordered. Your bond is revoked, but before you leave, we're going to get this test. And you're going to be held in custody, and we'll come back in a little bit and give her some fluids, and you're going to take this test so we can find out where your problem is, drugs, alcohol, or both. So that's where you're headed for a while. So we got a trial to take care of right now. We got some other business to take care of. But we know there's a method of handling all of this, and avoiding the inevitable only puts you financially and in your freedom behind the game. You lose those. You're taken into custody. Thank you. All right, let's get ready for this trial.